Hi, I'm George with Efficient AC Electric and Plumbing in Austin, Texas. I'm here to talk to you today about all of the discounts that we see in media, whether it would be paper media coming to your home or digital media, available for systems. This applies to water heaters as well, but we're really going to focus on AC systems because they're a little more expensive. Here we have the Whoosh and Swoosh Service Company, and they offer a whole list of discounts available to you right now. Let's start with the first one, manufacturer rebates. What are these? These are direct from the manufacturer, usually passed to the dealer that we file for afterwards. And it says up to $1,200. Is this legit? Yes. But to get $1,200, for example, you're going to have to spend a lot of money on a system. It's going to be a high-end system. So think yes, but less than this most likely for what you're doing. Energy savings, $500 a year. Is it legit? Maybe. This depends on the system that you have and are replacing. That system, if it's old and it doesn't function well at all, you may see this. If it was a good system to begin with and just recently failed, I doubt that you'll see that much savings. Federal tax credit. This comes and goes, available at times from the U.S. government, up to $2,000. But what do you have to do to get $2,000? You have to do a lot more than replace a system. So it's not $2,000 off that system. It's $2,000 off a lot of work. So I'm going to call it question mark. Do you get it or not? Maybe, maybe not. Off-season dealer coupon, $1,000. This is just a way to get you to buy something. Really not legit. There might be a slight discount for off-season work. We have a little bit baked in because we don't run the overtime off-season that we do on-season, but it's not going to be $1,000. It's not going to be anywhere near this significant. Dealer instant rebate. I don't even know what that is, but I saw it. $1,500. Not legit. Same day installation coupon. Okay, that's another theme, just like we said. $500. We don't want to push you into a sale and make a bad decision. You need to take the time that you need to make that decision, whether it would be maybe a day, but more likely a few days or a week or a month. And this price that we have should be the same either way. So not legit. Utility rebate. Here in Austin, Texas, we do have these for especially the local utility, $750. Maybe it's usually around half that is more typical. So this is an up to, but I'm going to call it legit. You can get something off of that. Old system trade-in, $1,500. Totally not legit. The old systems are worth nothing. We as a practice take the old systems and just give them to a certified recycler so that recycler can make a living. That's all it is. We don't ask for money. There's not anything really to be had. We just ask them to dispose of it properly. That's it. Total savings. That's a lot of money. Think about that. If you're going to get almost $9,000 in savings, how much is this inflated? And how much are you really going to have to spend to get that? My goal today was to provide an efficient answer to your questions. I hope that I've done so. Please feel free to leave a comment, or if you're in Austin, Texas, visit us at efficienttexas.com. Bye now.